Listen, I'm at the gym, just got off the treadmill, and I was really thinking about this while I was on the bus this morning. I'm like, I can't wait. I gotta say it. Look, I have $70 in my bank account, right? $50 of that is gonna go to a bus pass, and then the rest of it is like maybe enough for one meal at Applebee's. And you're telling me that you want me to pay full price for a ticket to see Borderlands that has a 0% score on Rotten Tomatoes, that all of my favorite YouTubers have said, do not waste your money on. You want me to pay that? I'm not gonna pay to see a movie that has that kind of a review. And you know it. Why are you publishing this stuff? I'm not even gonna pay that to review it. $24.99 to stream that piece of crap? You really expect us to pay for this stuff? We can hardly pay for groceries. Don't pour sardine oil on my head and call it rain. And while we're at it, shame on you, Peter Dinklage. You have done a great disservice to all of the small actors who are at least as good, if not better than you as actors. They're just trying to get a break.
Because right now there's more dwarves on this podcast than there are in the new Snow White movie. And that's probably due to Peter Dinklage.
Yep. You're progressive in one way, but you're still making that fucking backward story of 7 dwarves living in a cave. What the are you doing, man?
Following Peter's remarks, a spokesperson for Disney told ET in a statement, quote, "To avoid reinforcing stereotypes from the original animated film, we are taking a different approach with these 7 characters and have been consulting with members of the dwarfism community."
Have I done nothing to advance the cause from my soapbox?
We could have seen some fantastic talent come out of the small actor community, and it was your fault that did not happen. I'm gonna blame you. You're being pompous, and I don't appreciate it. Some of the blame lies with Rachel Zegler. Marketing departments have to do something. I mean, I hope they talk to her, because that's just ridiculous, the type of stuff that she said. I'm getting oil all over this trash can. I'm eating these outside because I don't want anybody to get pissed off at me that I opened a can of fish inside. Figured it's an outdoor food. Why do I eat sardines for breakfast? Because I'm trying to win. Look, no. Okay? No. You want to know my actual, honest to God. No. Okay, a friend of mine, we were hanging out, had a great day. I was getting ready to go home, and he's like, hey, the Snow White trailer's out. You want to watch it? And I was like, what? The Snow White trailer? They put out a trailer? They're gonna release something? So I go over and I start watching it, and I'm like, oh no. I had some choice words. I did. I know I'm kind of getting a reputation for not swearing on this channel, and I sort of like it. I dig it because I used to be an educator of young children. So, I like to keep it appropriate for all audiences. But let me tell you what, there were some bombs that I was dropping because Disney, Rachel Zegler, and the fact that they animated the dwarves. I'm livid. I am so mad. I can't believe that Disney caved in to Peter Dinklage. Rachel Zegler, I'm like, girl, do you not know how to promote a movie? You have to pretend like you like what you're doing. I don't know, maybe she's learned her lesson. I've seen some other videos saying Rachel has learned her lesson. She doesn't say that stuff anymore because she wants to stay in the industry. And I'm like, well, good for her. You know what? I'm all about giving people another chance. So if Rachel Zegler, she is young, if she wants to turn it back around, honey. Turn it all the way back around. Because the stuff that you were saying, come on. Disney needs a win, okay? You need a win because you almost lost your career. I'm surprised that they didn't cancel you from every other movie that you were doing. Peter Dinklage, I enjoy your acting very much. Also, how could you pull up the ladder behind all of your little actor friends? Who I mean, if I was your little actor friend, I wouldn't be your little actor friend anymore. You just took 7 roles that could have been great. I mean, we could have had something truly great. Here's the thing though. I'm kind of glad that they animated the 7 dwarfs. Here's why. Because this movie was going to suck. Because Disney has lost it. They have lost the magic. The pixie dust is gone. We are in the Pirate Cove, and it's not the Pirates of the Caribbean. That's the fun Pirate Cove. No, we're in the Peter Pan Pirate Cove, where all of the adults are just overgrown boys. They're overgrown little children without mothers. It's the not fun kind of Pirate Cove. And we have no pixie dust, and nothing has joy anymore, and they don't know how to fly. They have no happy thoughts left. Disney has lost the magic. So honestly, little people, don't lament that you couldn't get a role in this film. Let Disney dig their own graves. I hope this movie gets so memory hold that we forget that it was ever released. Kind of like Willow 2, because it really shouldn't have existed. I have no desire to see The Seven Dwarfs. There is nothing at all that is pulling me to that film. Even Gal Gadot, she is gorgeous, and I loved watching her as Wonder Woman. She's not the best actress ever, but she looks the part, and, she tries, and I'm okay with that. And sometimes I'm just there to, eat popcorn and be like, oh, pretty woman. I mean, look, Snow White could be really, really super cool in the hands of somebody who knows what they're doing. Disney can't even tell their own fairy tales anymore. It's ridiculous. What else do I want to say? There is one more thing that I just wanted to share with you because, look, I'm small peanuts, okay? I'm hanging out in the Midwest just making videos with my phone, talking about movies. So I'm not going to be able to catch this wave. Probably not. I mean, just in case. But I'll just give this away for free. I heard that Barbie, the Greta Gerwig film, the studio wanted to just sort of ride that wave. By all means, do the thing. So they picked up another franchise from that toy universe, and they tried to give it to Lena Dunham. So I heard recently, like last month on Film Threat, if you don't follow Film Threat, go follow Film Threat, really great channel. And they were talking about how Lena Dunham, who was the writer, producer, actress in Girls, which is where we found Adam Driver straight out of school. As a female writer, I understand what she's doing. She understood her audience. She delivered for her audience. Girls ran for a very long time, and it was very real and very relevant to a lot of women. Girl, good. Do you? Lena Dunham is offered this franchise of Polly Pocket. Little tiny dolls. They live in these little houses that can open and close like a little purse. She decided that she was not going to do this because she just wasn't feeling it. Kind of saw what happened with Barbie, and she's like, I don't know if I want to try and follow that up. Girl, respect again, saying no. Do it. I respect her a lot for saying no to something that she's like, I'm probably not going to feel good about that. Good. Say no. Do the thing. The moment I heard that she had given up Polly Pocket, I was like, give it to me. Here's why. If you do not cast that entire film and write that entire film completely around little people, I don't know what your deal is. I don't know what universe you live in. Polly Pocket, guys. Polly Pocket. I know who to cast. I would go to personalities and influencers and actors and actresses within the little people community. I would talk to them. I would find out what's important to them, and I would co-write a screenplay with them, and it would be for the little people, and I would just cast the whole thing full of little people. The whole thing. All of them. I might even see what Dinklage is doing. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe we'll make him the villain. Dinklage can get his little villain vibe going on, right? Because apparently that's what you're doing. All I gotta say is my solution to all of this is every single time, new stuff, new filmmakers, new screenwriters, new book writers, new actors, new all of it. Let's innovate. Let's do some stuff on our own. Let's go out there and make it better. Because it's one thing to complain about it. It's another thing to be the solution, and we can be the solution. If you want to see some of my stuff that I've been working on, I'm working on a new piece that I'm getting ready to put out there. I'm thinking about doing some audiobook stuff. Let me know what you like. Come on over and visit me over at my Substack. It is in the link below. Let's go out and make art better. Anyway, till next time, keep writing. The reason I kicked that and moved the camera is because I can't see anything. This is a bonus for anybody who made it to the end of the video. I'm gonna take these to my optometrist in like a week and a half. I'm going to the optometrist and I'm gonna get lenses put in these because I've always wanted to wear these as real glasses. They used to be sunglasses. And I think they're cute. I like using them for the channel. And I'm gonna get some real lenses so that I don't have to do this between every take. Anyway, come say hi to me on my website, link below, all the things. Love you guys. See you soon.